Trying to get data from a TCP socket connection on a network device using Python. I am trying to write a simple Python script that connects to a number of Fluke thermohygrometers, Duke 1620A, and write the temperature and humidity readings to a file I can then ingest into Splunk. This is the first time I've ever tried anything with Python and I'm really close, but can't seem to nail down how to get the data via a TCP socket. Overview. The script reads a list of devices from an external JSON and then opens a connection to each device, sends a command to get the current readings, and then writes those readings to a file. In my first iteration, I simply made a single data equals s.rix64 call, but the devices were inconsistent in returning a full result. Sometimes I'd get the full result, e. 69.64,45.9,0,0, and other times I'd only get part of the reading, e. 69.64,4. While true loop. After doing some research, I began to see recommendations for using a while true loop to get the rest of the data in the second, or third, pass. I changed out my simple s.rif call with the following. Unfortunately, now the script will not finish. I suspect the loop is not exiting, but the response should never be more than 24 bytes. I'm not sure how else to test and exit the loop. I tried adding a timeout, but that kills the whole script. Connect device cp.py.
The devices communicate line-oriented with lines terminated by \r, so just read a whole line, replace the while true loop with.
If you want to sell more, press subscribe subscribing.